Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every PC user, especially those of us who live on the cutting edge of tech. We're analyzing the impact of Windows 11 updates on system performance. If you're wondering whether to hit that update button or stick with what you have, this is the video for you. Windows 11 has been out for a while now, and like any new operating system, it's been receiving a steady stream of updates. But how do these updates affect your system's performance? Are they making your PC faster, or is your computer groaning under the weight of new features? Let's break it down. First, we're going to look at the baseline performance of Windows 11 right out of the box. We'll compare it to Windows 10 in terms of boot time, application launch speed, and overall responsiveness. Spoiler alert, Windows 11 initially shows some impressive gains. Next up, we need to talk about the updates themselves. Windows 11 has received several major updates since its launch. Some of these updates have introduced new features, while others have been focused on security and stability. But here's the million-dollar question: are these updates improving performance, or are they slowing things down? To find out, we ran a series of tests before and after each major update. We looked at CPU and RAM usage, gaming performance, and even some real-world scenarios like video editing and multitasking. And let me tell you, the results were surprising. One of the most interesting findings was how these updates impact gaming performance. Some updates included optimizations for DirectX 12 and improvements to game mode, while others seemed to have no noticeable effect. If you're a gamer, you'll definitely want to pay attention to this part. But it's not just about raw performance. Stability is just as important. We encountered a few hiccups along the way. Some updates introduced bugs or caused compatibility issues with certain applications. Microsoft has been quick to address these with patches, but it's something to keep in mind. So, what's the final verdict? Should you keep your Windows 11 system up to date? In general, the answer is yes. While some updates can temporarily cause issues, the overall trend is positive. New features, security improvements, and performance tweaks make Windows 11 a solid choice for both casual and power users. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip: always back up your system before installing major updates. And if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the Windows community or check out our troubleshooting guides. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. And drop a comment below with your own experiences with Windows 11 updates. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay updated and stay awesome.